Hello everyone, my project is an optimization toolbox. It's used to solve optimization problems. Optimization problems usually have the form like this. It has an objective, which is to maximize or minimize a function, and it has constraints. So the toolbox could solve problems like this. Let's first try a simple linear one. Let's try to minimize minus 4x minus 5y, subject to 2x plus y is less than 3, x plus 2y is less than 3. And here's a list of solvers that we could choose from. Let's first choose GLPK. And it said it's not installed on this computer, so we need to choose another one. Let's try something else. So this toolbox will display the results here, and it will also plot a figure which contains the plots of objective function and every constraint. It's a beautiful 3D plot. Now let's add scars between the numbers and variables and see what will happen. So the results are the same. Let's now try to maximize the function subject to a nonlinear problem, which is x squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 1. Now let's try to solve this. The results are shown here. So the nonlinear problem is also solvable by this toolbox. And this toolbox, so the most important figure is that this toolbox could solve both linear and nonlinear problems, and the inputs are very flexible. So it could show the result and also draw the figures of the functions. I'll keep working on this so that it could take in more complicated constraints, and I hope that it could be used in real life. Thanks.